Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix that there was an error connecting to the platform. Please restart your game client or the error code 39 in the Valorant. So first of all you have to just open the regedit in your PC and on the run as administrator. Here's the step of the interface will open for you. You have to just click on the third option which is H key local machine. Just expand this option and now you have to just expand the option which is named as system and now click on the current control set and expand it. Now you have to just expand the option control and now expand the option class here, and after expanding you will find a lot of the options in the class. Then you have to just select this option here. After doing so, at the right side of the page you will find a lot of the options. You have to just right click on the option named as upper filter, right click on the upper filter option and then click on the delete and click on the yes option. After doing so you have to just restart your PC, and after doing so your problem will be resolved. So that's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. If you have any question you can leave a comment below.